Hello, and welcome to the Business Services Team web tutorial for job openings. In this tutorial, we will examine how to create job openings from the Position Inquiry screen. We begin the process of creating a new job opening by navigating to Position Inquiry. To create a job opening from the Position Inquiry screen, you require the position control number for the position you are generating the opening for. If you are not sure of your position control number, it can be found via the search function. Select Active from the Status drop-down menu to ensure that you filter out inactive positions, then input your 4-digit cost center number under Location. Click Accept. Click on Browse to create a list of all positions that meet your search criteria. Then sort them to your preference by clicking on the column header you wish to sort by. Click on the position you wish to create an opening for, then click Accept. If you know the position control number for the position you are creating an opening for, you can click Search in the ribbon. Input the position control number. After entering the position control number, click Accept. If you are creating a job opening to replace a current employee, you will need the employee ID number of the employee who is moving out of that position. The list of employees can be found here. Make sure you take note of the employee ID number. You do not need to do this if a position is new or vacant. The job opening screen will populate in the data of the position, including description, location, and position control number. Begin by entering your requisition number. Requisition numbers are unique to your cost center and follow this format: 1, followed by your 4-digit cost center ID, in this case 9009, followed by the requisition number. Since this is our first requisition, it is 001, giving us the number 19009-001. If it was our 15th, then our number would be 19009-015. Tab once to Description. You will likely need to change the description to the standard format provided by Human Resources, which can be found in the Hiring Manager's Toolkit on the Human Resources webpage. There are 3 types of requisitions. Vacant position is used when a position is currently unfilled. New is used for a newly created position that has never had an employee. Replacement is used for a position that currently has an employee that is leaving that position. Replacement is the only requisition type that requires an employee ID number. If you selected replacement, you need to input the employee ID of the vacating employee in this field. If you are not creating a replacement requisition, skip this field. There are 3 job types in the job family field. Instructional classroom teacher is any instructional position, while principal represents all principals and assistant principals. Use general for any position that does not fall under these 2 categories. Dates can be manually inputted or selected from the calendar menu. Typically, ads run for 7 calendar days. Any variance needs prior approval. Contact Human Resources for further direction in the event a change needs to be made. Input your extension in the phone field. This number is not published on the ad. It is for HR purposes in case they need to contact you regarding the requisition. The Special Requirements field is not published on the ad. It is where you can inform HR about any special circumstances regarding your job opening, such as approval for a 3-day ad. Skip the Salary tab and proceed directly to Advertising. Always select the Internal and External selection in the Post field unless specifically instructed by Human Resources. The Application field is where you select the type of application to attach to the ad. Master Application with Principal Insight is for principals and assistant principals. Master Application with Teacher Insight is for instructional staff. Master All Positions Except Teacher and Principal is for all other positions. Select the appropriate application type from the drop-down menu. Input the URL provided by Human Resources in the Hiring Manager's Toolkit that matches your advertised position in this field. If there is no job description for this position, leave this field blank. Type the words Job Description in the URL label field. Select A automatically on Apply in the Applicant Reference Emails, then click Accept. Any notes typed into the Notes field appear on the job ad. This is where you can input comments such as must be certified and highly qualified, as well as information on required hours, testing requirements, etc. While HR can provide some basic information in this field, site-specific details such as required times of availability must be provided by the creator of the requisition. Clicking the X button will prompt if you wish to save. Clicking Yes will save your changes. Clicking No will remove your changes, and both options return you to your requisition. Cancel will instead return you to your notes. Once you are satisfied with your requisition, you may release it for approval using the Release button. You can check the status of your requisition's approval at any time by clicking on the Approvers box. This will tell you who the next approver in your workflow is. It will also provide notes on why a rejected requisition was returned to you. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial. We hope that it was helpful and informative and encourage you to contact the Munis Help Desk at munishelp@pasco.k12.fl.us if you encounter any issues during the job opening creation process.